Fast foods are definitely among the most preferred foods of the youth today. They are known for their unique taste and flavor. The street vended Chinese foods are also in great demand, on par with the similar foods prepared in hotels and restaurants. You, the fast food vendors, brought the tastiest recipes of China to the streets of India and made them more delectable to the Indian palate by adding Indian flavors to them. Whether it is noodles, Manchuria, fried rice or chicken 65, people have a special craving for these items and cannot resist the urge to eat them. But safety of the dish that you serve is what the consumer often worries about. Once the consumer is in doubt, he or she will think twice to eat. Yes, believe it or not, the non-vegetarian Chinese fast foods you serve could be unsafe for your consumer. You may be taking many precautions to make it safe, but unknowingly you may end up contaminating what you sell and what helps you make a living. Some time back, we from the National Institute of Nutrition, NIN, collected samples from some of our friends' vending units. When these samples were carefully taken to our lab and analyzed, we found harmful bacteria which may cause vomiting, loose motions, stomach ache, and illness to your consumer. Then imagine what would happen to your sales and your earnings. When we looked into specific practices that are leading to contamination of non-vegetarian Chinese foods you serve, we realized there are 3 simple behaviors that can be easily modified. First, the vegetables which are used for making these foods, such as spring onions, beans, cabbage, carrot, chilies. Added to that, the salads or toppings like carrot, mint, coriander, onion and chilies are generally not washed before preparation. Harmful bacteria that may be present in the soil gets adhered to the surface of the vegetables, especially the roots, tubers and greens. Second, unevenly cooked. The food is not uniformly heated in many of the cases. In such situation, the bacteria remains within the food where heat doesn't penetrate and lead to growth of bacteria. Third, storage of cooked food beyond 2 hours at ambient temperature. Cooked foods such as noodles and rice generally tend to carry bacteria, and when stored for more than 2 hours at room temperature, they usually grow and multiply. Now you know the 3 important contaminants. 1. Unwashed vegetables. 2. Unevenly cooked. 3. Storage of cooked foods for long hours at ambient temperature. So, what are the simple precautions you need to take? Step 1. All the vegetables should be washed under running water. If running water is not available, then wash in a bowl of water for 5 minutes, and carrots should be washed before they are peeled. Step 2. Uniform heating has to be ensured while cooking the food, and make sure that the food is properly cooked. Step 3. Cooked rice and noodles should not be stored for more than 2 hours at room temperature. Try making them in 2 to 3 batches based on the consumer demand. Just follow these 3 simple precautions. All that you require is time, not money. This will make your Chinese fast foods not only tasty but also safe for your consumer. A happy consumer, a happy you.